Hi, I'm Jim Shields. I'm Fluke's product manager for our process calibration tools. Today I'd like to show you our Fluke 773 Milliamp Clamp Meter. The Fluke 773 Milliamp Clamp Meter is a combination of a milliamp measurement tool using the clamp. For example, I have a milliamp signal here, and I connect the clamp, and I can see the milliamp signal that I'm measuring. If I want to change the polarity of the measurement, I can turn it around and make the measurement like this. So this allows you to make milliamp measurements without breaking the loop and interrupting process control. This is quite valuable when you have a critical process that can't be shut down, but yet you need to make a 4 to 20 milliamp measurement. 773 milliamp clamp has the ability to measure the milliamp signals without breaking the loop, but it also has a built-in loop calibrator and voltage signal function. The milliamps, we have the ability to source and simulate milliamps using the loop functions, and the ability to provide 24-volt loop power as this process meter is doing while powering a transmitter device. The 773 is also powerful for use in HVAC where additional 0 to 10 volt DC signals might be needed to be tested. The Fluke 773 Milliamp Clamp Meter measure 4 to 20 milliamp signals without breaking the loop, and for use in HVAC applications where we need to source 0 to 10 volt signals. Thank you.